How about Clove? Nothing. Clove is dead today, guys. I'm just going to put on my radar because it can be a surprising trade, as always. Yes, DOCS, it's a really good one. Might it's worth to take over the high because it's just getting really, really strong on the buying pressure here. And MOXC, it's not bad. Okay, I just call MOXC over this 0.70, which I told you, 24.70, and the stop loss is going to be under 23.29. SL 23, so minus 2 cents, 27. So it's like a big stop loss, but this is for a huge profit as well. MOXC 200 can stay. Okay, and 73. Buy stop. Let's see if we can get more from this MOXC. HUYA, it's still alive, I would say. It's just made a nice bullish engulfing at the moment on the VWAP, so I still like it. Okay, MOXC just entered. I would like to take my first partial just before, or let's see, 26-ish. Hopefully it can go. DOCX, I don't know if you entered over the high. I had no time, sorry, but I just we just try to fix with Grift on the YouTube as well. If you entered on DOCX over the high, well done. And stop loss to break even and slowly take your partial, okay? On DOCS. MOXC, it's still in. And waiting for ZM and HUYA. Very nice on DOCS. Anyone entered DOCS over the high? It's 45. It's like amazing. 47 in no time. Great, Brian. Well done. Let's see. Coin. It's a question from the YouTube as well. Coin. Coin looks like to the upside. Sorry, 230. Yeah. 230 looks definitely a huge breakout on the coin. Brian from YouTube. Looks promising. DOCS, wow, it's beautiful. Take your partial and just let it run, guys, if you entered. I was late in that one, unfortunately. And coin looks definitely like a huge buy over 230, but this is an extremely dangerous one, so Please take it only with a reasonable share size, and we have a huge stop loss like under 228-ish, like $2. I'm just going to take it with like 100 shares over 230 and let's say 10 is going to be the coin, because this looks like definitely a nice continuation pattern on the coin. But this is a risky one, okay? This is a really, really risky one. By the way, on my swing account, because yesterday I traded on my swing account, Roblox is still in with 20 shares, and it's working fine. Now it's on the 87 area. Let's see what HUYA is doing. HUYA is still okay. Market, unfortunately, no direction. MOXC still thinking a lot around this 24, 50, 70 level. Apple looks like a breakdown under 133.50. Apple is not that strong today. This is the only one which is like in red. From SPY Triple Q Apple, it's definitely Apple is the weakest link today. Coin is not moving too much. ZM is still on for me, guys. I still did not enter. I have not entered yet, but I'm waiting for the entry. You know what, guys? I just can't believe it. Almost 1 hour went by since I joined, and the market is not moving. Really, I beg for a decent pullback or a huge breakout or something. Just move. This is like really, really suffering time, guys, in this all-time high environment, as I told you yesterday. Volume is decreasing on the market every day. New all-time highs are coming, but on lower volume. So this means something, I would say. Yes, Linda, I see that. Sometimes I just have to check if I'm connected or not, because it looks like it's just staying. Oh no, MOXC, come on. Don't do that with me. It was such a perfect pattern for the... Oh no, I'm almost out. This is painful. That's why I'm not trading these IPOs. It's not an IPO anymore, but not a long history. Okay. Still in. I'm just going to put my stop loss in that one. Cannot see the view here. Okay. My hard stop loss just under this green candle's low. So I see. Oscar, usually I am doing like 3 to 5 trades in one trading session. So for example, now in this afternoon, I'm going to make like around 3 to 5 trades if everything is moving really. Because at the moment, unfortunately, nothing is moving too much. CFLT. CFLT over 45, you mean, Brian? Or, well, let's see, the VWAP is rather 40, 44, 70-ish. Yeah, it looks like a nice continuation. Not 50 because it's still under the VWAP, but definitely it looks a nice continuation. That one. I place my hard stop loss under 23.06 on this MOXC. I must. It's just on time. Okay, I have to close it. It's closed. Okay. I'm out of MOXC, unfortunately, guys. Did not work out. Hopefully the next one is going to be a better one. CFLT, it's in for you, Brian, if you are in. Yeah, ZM is still on my radar for the short side. I still not in. I see on the positions. I just got in. You see? Just got in. So ZM, let's see. And SPY is going down, Apple is going down, so hopefully it's going to support us on ZM. ALF, let's see ALF. Okay, this was a nice, definitely, it is, at least it's a VWAP reversal which worked out, Zeki. Unfortunately, the MOXC did not. Still low volume on the market, unfortunately. It's not going to help us in our trades, but hopefully ZM is going to get the 372 level, or at least 373, where I want to take my first partial on that one. Come on, ZM. Do the job, please. Okay, we have $1 in ZM. However, the pivot is 373, so I want to take a partial on 373, guys. So first partial on ZM, 370, just before 373. FSLR. This was a strong stock today, definitely. Let's just watch it. It's too late for the reversal, Almira. Let's see what it's going to be able to do around this 86 level, because I would not join now. The risk reward, it's not really good, because you know the definitely the VWAP, it's going to be a strong resistance on the FSLR. This 86 level, and your stop loss now it's 84.50, so not the best risk reward ratio at the moment to join. So if you are in already, take a partial on 86, but if you still did not join, do not join now, please. This is the good decision. However, this is the hardest for the traders to practice, waiting, to be patient. Oh, ZM, come on. Okay, guys, if you took DOX over the high where I just told you, however, I had no chance to take it. If you are in DOX, put your stop loss just under this 45.80 level, and then let's see if it can do more. Very nice in DOCS. Market still no direction. SPY could not break the high of the day yet. Let's see if it can. We are just entering the power hour in 5 minutes. Excited. And please do not forget that in 20 minutes, Michael is going to start the weekly mentoring in the weekly mentoring room. Please, if you have a chance, definitely join. because it's going to be a very exciting and great mentoring as he's used to do. So again, it's going to start at 3:15 in 20 minutes in the weekly mentoring room. And Clifton is just going to send the link soon. Here it is. Here you can join. Please do not miss if you can. You know what, traders? I think Scott and Meir knows exactly when to leave the market and not to trade. It's unbelievable, these two guys, really. They have a sixth instinct or something like that for that. All-time high environment, okay, so let's just get a break or a holiday. They are doing great. You see, it really matters if you are trading on the markets for decades. You already feel that before it happens. Okay. ZM, come on, give up 324. You don't need that 324. I know. SPY, I guess SPY is going to definitely to try another breakout today. I would not be surprised over the high of the day, and not just the high of the day, but this is an all-time high. Google, Kiran? Looks like definitely a breakout. But I don't know, you know, Apple is not that strong today. And even the triple Q, maybe it can be a quick partial, I mean a quick scalp till 2250 if you want to take it. For me, it's like a little bit too expensive, too hectic. I'm not going to trade it. But if you want to trade it, I would go only for a quick scalp on that, like $1-2, and that's it. All right. Come on, SPY. I don't mind. Do a new all-time high. Just move. Please, move. This is a lazy one again today. Scott, yes, I was watching GMIA in the beginning of the day. Kiran, your Google is working, but be careful on this, really, on this 0.50. Yeah, definitely. I would not touch it now, but oh yeah, a little bit like before 8 or before 2 p.m. it was like a great entry for a reversal. Now I would not touch it, But on the daily, look at the daily. It looks like head and shoulders here. So to the swing, it can still go. Guys, JMIA, it's not bad for a swing, to tell the truth. Over this 330, oh wow, VWAP reversal, beautiful. It was here, unfortunately, just before I joined. So over this 30, let's say 31-ish, 32 level, it can be a nice candidate for the swing side as well. Yes, Linda, I see that. So really, guys, if you like it for a swing trade, personally, I like it over 31 level. You can take it for a swing with a stop loss under, as I see, 26. So you have like a $5 stop loss, but as you can see, we have a tremendous potential in that stock. So I agree, I totally agree, Linda, in that one. Okay, HUYA, it's not in yet, but I think it's not able to go anymore. Coin, I'm still in coin. I mean, it's in my working orders, but it's just not moving at all as well, unfortunately. Traders, Michael is going live in like 12 minutes. So please just join the weekly room soon, weekly mentoring room, and you can hear a fantastic weekly mentoring from Michael itself. Okay. ZM still fighting. So the bears, the sellers are still fighting, which is a good sign. And we just entered to the power hour, like after 3 p.m., but nothing has changed too much, though. Till now, at least. Hopefully, some buyers and sellers are going to join soon. JMIA, wow, this is a strong one today. CFLT, new IPO. Let's see the volume of CFLT. I'm really thinking to take this over 45. Volume is 9 million, not bad. Not the best, but not bad. Not 49, 45. So 45 entry with a stop loss under 44. Yeah, this I like. CFLT. CFLT over 45. SL under 44. This is not a bad one. So $1 stop loss. I'm going to join with a 200. It's enough. I'm going to be a little bit. Okay, 45.03 can be a good one. No, what happened? I cannot trade that. Eesh. Okay. So I'm going to place it on my swing account then. Sorry. Okay. So over 45. All right. ZM is getting to the 373, hopefully. So on 373 ZM, I'm going to take my first partial. Finally. Oh, come on. 373.50. Break this 50. Please. Apple is almost on the low. Low of the day. Not there yet, but really close. Ah, ZM, come on. I cancel HUYA, guys. I'm not going to take it anymore. It's just looking like inverse cup and handle now. Kind of. TDD short. YouTube guys, TDD. Cannot find it. Why I can't find it? ZM, come on. This is the trade desk, isn't it? Trader's desk. What is that? Trader. No idea. Can't find it. Don't know why. I still do not give up with the ZM, guys. Still has to move to this 373-ish area. Hopefully the market is going to help us now. Let's see. Brian, you won't believe that, but I just looked at MOXC. Now, this is annoying. And you just get out of a trade and it just turns to your direction. Disgusting, really. I'm not going to watch it even. Disgusting. This happens, you know, unfortunately. Yeah, to tell the truth, it was my fault because by days stocks which are so volatile, sometimes you have to leave a little bit more space to move, you know, but I just did not want to give it. First of all, we do not have any support from the market, nor to the downside, neither to the upside again, like yesterday. So I do not want to, you know, like to risk more as it is needed. But definitely if we leave a little bit more space there, it could have worked out as I see, but you can never know. Okay, CFLT, it's close. And I'm going to get bored on this ZM. I'm just going to take a partial. However, it's a very, very low. 30 again. No, it's going to go back. It's not good. All right, new stop loss on ZM, guys. It's going to be over 375. If it's going to break 375, so like 20, 25 cents, 30 cents, I'm out from the trade. CFLT, it's getting closer. Apple just touched the low of the day, but this is a great opportunity for a double bottom. Let's see. Wish? Yes, I just took off as well because it was not moving too much in the beginning of the day and rather down. Let's see what it is doing now. Oh, wow. Yeah, definitely. It just woke up. This is a kind of a club trade as well. Oh, yeah, this was a nice buy over the high of the day, so 1350-ish. But yes, I agree, it's too late now. Oh, by the way, club. Let's see club. It is doing now. Not too much. Club is really dead today. Yes, Linda, it was. Now it's just nothing at the moment. All right, Apple double bottom looks like this is not good for our ZM short, but it can be good for the CFLT long. And SPY is on the way to the highs again with a new buying pressure. Question is if it's going to do the same like yesterday, that it just broke out and instantly it was sold off. Yes, Linda. Low volume, so it's easy to move the prices, you know. Let's see. Apple is definitely running for a kind of a double top or double bottom formation. Oh, sorry, I just realized I was speaking to myself, so sorry. So Brian, Nasdaq and NYSE are closing at 4 p.m. and both are opening at 9:30. 9:30 till 11:30 we have the opening session. From 11:30 till 1:30 it's the lunch break, the lunch time. And after 11:30 or 1:30, rather 2 p.m. till 4 p.m. we have the afternoon session. Okay? And please guys, do not forget, Michael already started. You're still on time to join the weekly mentoring. Clifton just posted the link to the weekly mentoring room. So if you can, please just join. As I see, the market is not really exciting today as well, but at least our Zoom is working. Zoom really has to break this 373.50 area, then I'm definitely, we can go for the 373. However, it's having a hard time for sure to break that. Baba, check it, Zeki. Baba, you want to take it for a short? Because on the daily it looks like a double bottom, but definitely on the daily looks like a kind of a short under 217.80. I'm not going to take it. If you want to take it, go on. 217.80 would be the entry, and 218.80 is the stop loss. So $1 stop loss you have on that one. ZM. Yes, thank you. Break the 50, please. Okay, traders, be ready to take a partial on the ZM. Come on, ZM. So Zeki again, Baba, it's only under 217.80 with a stop loss over like $1 stop loss, okay? Careful on that one. Market still looks weak. Not a huge buying pressure, just joined yet. Hopefully it's going to stay like that. Ready to take a partial on the ZM. Okay, guys, if it's getting over 323.30, not 30, let's see. 323, come on, go more. Okay, over 323.30, I'm going to push the sell button. You see, here I see the bid, here is the ask. If the bid is going over the 20 again, I'm going to push the button. Hopefully it's going to be sold off a little bit more. Okay, come on. A little bit more. If it's getting over 373.05, I'm going to click the button. Okay, clicked it. I thought it still can run to this 372.50 or something like that, but it was like okay. And stop loss definitely to break even, okay? Stop loss to break even. CAT, oh my God, Almira, I did not trade CAT for a long time. Caterpillar, however, it was a great run. Okay, what would be your plan on the CAT? For a long? I think it's in on profit taking. I would not take it for a long. This is, you see this huge green up move. Usually it's giving back at the end of the day. So if I would look for a kind of an entry, definitely it would be around 219, something like that, for the VWAP reversal. But between the high and the VWAP, definitely I would not take a long at the moment, okay? All right, come on, ZM, give us at least $1, $2 more. You are welcome. One loser, one winner till now. Not a great ratio, guys, but I tried my best this slow afternoon as well. We have almost the last half an hour to go. Let's see. Yes, I am in CLFT on my other account, but it's just not doing anything at all. I don't know what I should do with that. I thought if it's CFLT, sorry, if it's just breaking the 45, it's just going to shoot up like crazy, but it's not happening too much. Hopefully, but I'm still not convinced with this one. Wish still continues? Can't believe that. Yeah, but okay. So it's just get to the 14 and now it's just giving up. Yeah, look at the daily, guys. It's like a perfect cup and handle. The join over this 1550-ish level. Ziam, come on. Give us 372. Be good to us, please. SPY, no all-time high yet. I mean a new one. This is surprising. Triple Q down, stayed under the VWAP, and the Apple is attacking the low of the day again. Market is really ripe for at least a small pullback. But listen, we keep saying that for at least for 2 months and nothing is happening. So I'm just going to give up to wait for the pullback. Hopefully it's going to be a sell sooner than later. BYND, I cannot see anything on BYND. This was just a question from a YouTube trader. Z, I'm still doing the job, so this is good. Real, Diego? No. What did Real done? Real. Freight Car America. Oh my God, how could, it's under $10. This is the reason. Usually I do not watch the stocks under $10. However, it's a big mistake as I see. Definitely it was a huge run. Oh, what a beautiful breakout here. Did you take it? Hopefully you had a profit on that one. Beautiful run, definitely. It's very kind of a hectic, volatile stock. You know what? I'm just going to put it on my radar. Let's see. Where? I mean, I put it on my watch list. Yes, Scott, I see. Yeah, Diego? Okay, well done. Nice trade on that one. Okay, small sell-off I see on the market, which I really like because of the ZM. But maybe it's not good for CFLT. Let's see. Okay, come on, ZM. Go, go, go. What? I did not take a partial on ZM? How can it be? Okay. Coin. Positions. Short. Okay, I just took my partial. It was a short and I tried to sell it. This was the problem. Sooner or later, I get my partial on the ZM. But it looks like, unfortunately, it's just bottoming here. My stop loss on ZM is 374.20 now, guys. I'm not going to let it go back to my entry, definitely, on the ZM, okay? I'm deleting the coin. I'm not going to want this anymore. And as I told you, I've deleted Huya already, just not on my working orders. Okay, so only ZM is working at the moment. And CFLT, but I'm getting bored on CFLT. Might I'm just going to close it out in a small loss, like 5 cents, 10 cents, and that's it. Okay, traders, don't forget we have a great promotion on a buy one package and now get a free voucher. You can see the details. Clifton just posted the link. It's a really good one in whole June. If you are thinking on take another or open an account or another account, strongly recommend to use this opportunity today and in whole June. But June is still 6 days to go. Okay, Baba. Which it was 217.80, under 217.80. Yes, working. Okay, Zaki, I guess you are in. 217 can be your first profit taking, as you can see it was the high of the day in the beginning of the day, so definitely 217 is going to be a big resist or support for the stock. And let's see if sell-off continues in the market in the last half an hour, but you can see more profit from the Baba trade. Well done. All right, ZM stop loss, as I told you, 374.010. I mean 10, 374.10. At Apple is on 133 and ready to break it to the downside. This is good for the shorts, definitely. The CFLT is just not going anywhere, unfortunately. So I'm really, really close to closing it. I do not want to really lose more. However, I'm in green, but you know, no unnecessary losers definitely here. Clove was a big surprise for me. On Clove, I thought it's going to continue today to the upside, but far away from it. It's just not continues at all. Okay, traders, we just entered in the last 30 minutes. If you have any more trades, live trades, you want to get an opinion in that, please just share it with me. I don't think so I'm going to take more trades. I'm just running on ZM and the CFLT at the moment. And yes, WSH Wish is just looking like another leg to the upside. Let's see. Scott, are you in Wish? Or you just watching it? Okay, BYND. Let's see this BYND was a very good breakdown in the beginning of the day, but since then it's just not doing anything. I would not touch BYND. It looks like okay on the daily reversal on the 140, but that's it. And anyway, BYND is on my banned list, guys. You know what is the banned list? So the stocks on the banned list are for me the no-touch stocks. Trauma list, yes. The ER list, yes, when you have to go to the emergency after a trade on the stock, for sure. Yep, exactly. So I have a banned list, and BYND is one of the stocks on that. I see you, yep, exactly. So I have a Roku, BYND, BA on this list. What else? Roku, BYND, BA for sure. Is it, Oscar? You see? Why is that? The reason is, guys, because I took many trades on these stocks and it just did not work out. It doesn't matter how the pattern, how perfect the pattern was, or everything was just really screaming for a buy or a short, and it did not work out. And if you experience this like several times on a stock, don't afraid to admit that, okay, this stock it's not for me, you know. So just leave it out. Listen, we have lots of stocks. Look at this gainers and losers list here. This is like just crazy. Lots of gainers and losers. However, the gainers and losers, you just can do like this. Gainers and losers list for the NASDAQ and for the NYSE, as you can see. So we have several huge stocks which are moving, and you do not have to marry one stock. If it's not working, if it's not for you, the stock itself, just leave it out. No problem. Yes, Oscar, exactly. Exactly. This is the reason why I just dumped some stocks to the banned list. Okay. CFLT, it's out, guys. I don't like it anymore. It's a small loser. But ZM is still working. Look at DOSC. Wow, it's still going up. It's amazing, this one. Doximity INC. Look at this. This company had a great first day on the market. Come on, ZM, go to 370. You still have 20 minutes to do that. And then we can have a nice almost $5 trade. SPY is getting lower. Apple just broke the 133. However, definitely it found some buyers on the 133 round number at the moment. No, Scott, I'm shorting as well on the swing side. ZM, yes, to tell the truth, ZM looks like a reversal on the daily, but you know, it's like a really loved stock. However, I agree that here we have a kind of a down trend with lower highs like this. So it can be a reversal. Totally agree with you. But let's see the big picture here. Okay. For the swing side, I would short it only under let's say 369-ish. Let's see if it can continue tomorrow to the downside, okay? If it can continue, it can be a nice short on the swing side. Tesla short. Yes, market looking weak, guys, but you know, every dip is still kind of a opportunity for buying this market. So I'm not sure. Yes, Oscar, you are right with Tesla. Looks like an inverse cup and handle continues to the downside. I'm not going to, because Tesla is on my ban list as well. But if you are in, this looks definitely good. I really regret the OCS trade, which I could not join on time. This would have saved my afternoon, but like this, I'm going to end up in red if ZM is not going to break 370. If it's going to break, maybe it's another story. Let's see. Because this MOXC, this was a big loser, unfortunately. I'm still in green, small green for the day, but this MOXC, this was a headache and a pain. And tomorrow it's Friday. So let's see Forex Factory what kind of news we will have for Friday. Not too much. Core PCE price index and revised consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock. That's it. Nothing else. See? So for tomorrow, 25th of Friday, core PCE index and revised consumer sentiment. That's it. However, I think one of my traders just asked today in the guidance room that how about the economical news? Does they affect anything and so on and so on? And I told him that nowadays only Powell is who affects anything on the market and no one else. Not even the news anymore. Okay, guys, buyers arrived on the SPY. Let's see how strong they can be. Don't forget on the end, we are going to close it out over 374. I'm not going to wait for more, especially in the last 30 minutes. Now it's the last 15 minutes. Be careful if you are in Tesla short, Oscar. This is another mean, ugly stock sometimes. I mean, it can be nice, but it can be really cruel. ORPH question from Abdul. ORPH looks like a nice move to the upside, even on the daily. But this is a hectic stock. I don't know. Abdul, if you are asking for like a swing trade, it's kind of okay. But in day trade, I cannot see any entry, especially now. MREN. Yeah, what is that MREN? This is a really low price stock as well. Marine software. So this is a technological stock. Huge move in the last days, as I see. But that's it. I'm sure there is some news-driven stock, TJ, so we should just leave it out. Oh, ZM is going for our last ending story. Unfortunately, 373.95 we are on. So it's going to be out over 374, as I've told you. Okay, Oscar, good decision. Definitely good decision. See? HKP, checkpoint. What is checkpoint doing? Unexpected volume, definitely on the checkpoint. Kiran? If you are in, okay, but now at the moment I would not join. Last 15 minutes. Rather start to close out your trades than to take new ones, guys. This is my personal suggestions for especially for the last 20 minutes. CFLT, as I told you, I closed out in like a 10 cents loss. However, it's still around this 45 level, but it did not convince me at all. Yeah, Kiran, okay. Just put it on your watch list and let's see what it can do tomorrow, how it can start. Because yes, definitely if some unusual volume just occurred on the stock, something is brewing on it. So it's worth to follow it, to watch it. Market is just glued to the VWAP again. Just moving around the VWAP, doing nothing at all. Really, it did all day. Just started on the VWAP and finished on the VWAP. The really, really small, tiny green day on a low volume. So, what do you think? What kind of Friday we will have tomorrow after this tiny little nothing day on the S&P 500? Okay. Let's see. SPY tomorrow. Red, green, doji, like nothing, or just leave me alone. I'm tired of this market. I would say leave me alone, to tell the truth. It's like not, you know, personally. It's just like I'm fed up with this market, guys. Okay. Down red day. Green. To leave me alone. Okay. Green new all-time high. Doji. More for the red days at the moment. So 36% says it's going to be a red day. Less a green day, 2 for a doji. It's 18%. That's the same for leave me alone. Yeah. No idea, guys, to tell the truth. After this day, with bad economical news, unemployment claims were not really good. Core durable goods orders, as you could see, was not good either. etc. You see, lots of red numbers, not good news, and they still pumping the market. So after this, I have to admit, no idea what's going to happen here. But we will be here and taking trades. Hopefully good ones and profitable ones. Delay for the news, you mean? Or just like in general? Yes. Yeah. Exactly. Look at this. It's just tend to make an all-time high again. Finally, I see some volume in the last 10 minutes. You won't believe that, traders, I see some volume coming in. But just in the last 10 minutes. Unbelievable. Big fight between buyers, sellers. Not just on the SPY, but on Apple and QQQ, I can see the same. 1-2 days delay. Yeah, especially with Powell's speech. When Powell is speaking or there is the FOMC meeting, everyone is buying the market at this night, and the next day usually it's going up, like 70-80% of the time it's happening. Follow it and you will see that. Yes, Yoni, I've told that which looks like kind of okay for the swing side on the daily, but let's just check it again. But I would say might only over this 15, 20-ish. Might I would not take it before. Now let's see DOCS new numbers. This is my big miss for today, definitely, over this 45 level. Wow. It's over 50. What this is doing? Really? Just invented something? This is a big winner today, guys, definitely. The best IPO. Unfortunately, not CFLT was the best IPO today. But it's back to the entry point if you want to close it out. Because as we have only 7 minutes left. ZM is still okay. I think I'm just going to close it at the last minute if it's not getting over 374. Here is another promotion from Tradenet now. Refer a friend and get rewarded. Link just posted by Clifton. Please look at the details. If you have any friends who just wanted to join the group of the day traders, then they have a great opportunity now to join, and you are getting a reward for that. You're welcome, Yoni. Okay, come on, ZM. Give us $2 more, please. Be generous to us. This is like such a low volume day again. Low potential trades. Less opportunities, so please be nice to us. You know, sometimes it's working when you just ask the stock nice and politely, then it's doing what you want. But of course, there is nothing to do with the stock or the price action. I see on the Tesla an interesting kind of a shooting star on the daily. I don't think so it can pass 700, guys, on Tesla. What do you think? I just show you what I think. Docs it's amazing. If you are still in Docs, well done, guys. Great trade. VIPS. Going to watch it. Look at this, guys, on the daily on the Tesla. I'm not sure if it can pass the 700 again. I would not be surprised for a red day tomorrow on the Tesla. Let's see. No, VIPS. This is funny. You just mentioned this stock, Zaki, because usually I'm watching VIPS every day, and now it was out of my radar. That was a big miss, definitely. Beautiful entry on this cup and handle, kind of cup and handle. So double cup and handle on the daily or intraday, sorry. Beautiful, very nice. Definitely it's like an oversold stock on the daily. It was ripe for a reversal. Yes, but tomorrow we must have on the watch list, Zaki, okay? So this is for a great candidate for tomorrow for continuing to the upside. Let's see. Nice volume, as I see. Okay. Great candidate for tomorrow, VIPS. Okay, traders, 4 minutes left. ZM still doing his job. However, we are still not under the low, but at least on 373. Do not forget to close out the trade before the market closes, which is going to be in some minutes. 3 minutes left. And market is just nothing. Look like some buyers joined, but no buying pressure at the end of the day. Okay, come on, ZM. 372 would be a nice and great. It won't. Surprise, I wanted to say. Look at this volume on the Zoom. Just show you. Nice red candle volume. Huge fight between the buyers and sellers. Okay, Scott, but only with a low share size, definitely, okay? All right, 2 minutes left, guys. I'm just ready to close out my ZM position. Last 25 shares. And really, that's it for today. I really hope we will have a much more lively session as it was yesterday, but what can we do? We have to trade what we have. Okay, I closed it out. Anyway, I really enjoyed the time with you, trading with you. Don't forget that tomorrow I'm going to be in the guidance room from 8:30 till 9:15 as every day, helping you if you have any questions regarding today's trades, partials, candidates, platform, anything really. What is regarding trading and you still did not have a chance to ask, guidance room is for that. And from next week, from Tuesday, I'm going to start with the live trades, 1 hour. So we are going to start at 8:30, and from 9:30 we are going to trade together. But this is like a slow starter trading room. So we are going to take like 2, maximum 3 trades. And I'm going to be really, really detailed and explaining every step on the trades. Yeah, I've seen Brian. Amazing. This docs is just the trade of the day, which of course I missed. Sorry. Wow. It's almost a $10 trade if you took it over 45. Okay, traders. Market just closed. Thank you for your time to be with me. I hope you enjoyed the time today trading with Danny, Yogi, me, and Michael. And we are going to wait for you, of course, tomorrow as well, last day of the week. No idea what the market is going to do, but we are going to try to take the best trades from this environment. So have a great rest of your day. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Bye, YouTubers. Thank you to be with us today. See you tomorrow. Bye.